Okay, so this is how the fabric folding pin works. I'm going to show you two things here. So there it is. You're going to take that little rubber end and you're just going to run it right along your stitching line. And you can see that my stitching line got a little damp. Then when you open this is the thing I want to show you and why I like the sandpaper. Like Patricia was saying, you've got to where you're trying to get those bubbles out of there. But I want to show you when you pull this, do you see how your block is like walking away from you? And it does that, and it can actually stretch. So let me show you when we do it on the sandpaper. So again, here's the fabric folding pin. Let me just run that on there a little bit. And then what you do is you push this side down and you open it up. See, and now when I do this, it's not walking on me. And that is the thing that I like about it. It just stays put because the sandpaper holds the fabric.